There are several fields which allow you to control various marketing tools as well as set the title and descriptions for advertising online and in the project brochure. In general, it is important to fill in as many of the fields in project records as completely as possible so that your brokers have a complete picture of the project. This is important for developers and agencies alike. For complete information on the project brochure, please see the video Project Brochure, How to Create and Share. In the marketing section, there are various minimum and maximum fields that allow you to set a range of prices, bedrooms, as well as gross, net, and plot areas. The broker and second broker will allow you to advertise this project under the names of 1 or 2 brokers. Please make sure that the name, mobile number, and email addresses, as well as their profile photo are correct in the user records for any broker that you add to these fields. This information will be sent to portals and your websites should they be connected, as well as to the project brochure. The Advertise on our website and Advertise on portals checkboxes allow you to select if you wish to advertise this project on either of those channels. These will have to be selected in the marketing status field set to active for them to be automatically published to these websites if you have active fields to them.